May nakita kasi ako sa Facebook na gantong itsura ng kwarto niya. Okay, pakita natin ganyan, okay? Question. Pag kayong kaibigan nyo, nag-imbita ng sleepover, tapos ganyan ang bahay, ang kwarto, makikitulog ba kayo? Now, here's what doesn't make sense. 1 Corinthians 6:19, sabi po ng Lord dito, or do you not know that your body is the temple of the Holy Spirit who is in you? Dito siya maninirahan. Tinitingnan ko kagabi, kakaroon ako self-reflection. Ano kaya itsura ng bahay ko ngayon? I'm gonna look at my past, my sins, my addictions, yung pangit kong ugali, yung impatience, yung unforgiveness. Tinitingnan ko yung sarili ko. Ganyan ang bahay ko eh. Kung titignan ko yung utak ko, titignan ko yung puso ko, gantong bahay ako eh. But here's what doesn't make sense. Kung tayo, si Lord, when He saw that, sabi niya, diyan ako titira. Because God loved us so much. He just wants to be with us. He didn't care if punong-puno ng libag, punong-puno yan ng pawis at ipis. He just wants to be with you. As long as God has a room, He's gonna come in. Regardless of gaano kadumi yung feeling natin sa sarili natin, titira siya dyan. Papasok siya as long as you let Him in.